Ahí no llegó la pelota al hoy centrocampista. Ahora vamos a ver qué indicación.
Y cuidado, Arbeloa y Villa, que ya les estaban teniendo.
Bueno, levantan entre Xavi Alonso y Arbeloa, Villa y Sergio Ramos, perdón.
Da Pepe. Incredibil gest al lui Pepe, l-a călcat intenționat pe Messi pe mână.
Muy bajo nivel, sobre todo.
Hello everyone, how are you doing? In this video, we'll be covering the 246th edition of El Clasico, a La Liga match between Barcelona and Real Madrid, which will be going to take place today in Madrid. Let's talk a bit about what exactly is El Clasico. It translates to the classic. Indeed, it's a classic match. It is the name given in football when there's the final rivalry between the two greats, Barcelona and Real Madrid. Also, it is considered as one of the biggest rivalry, of course, because both of the teams have been successful within the past few decades, and also both of them are very rich. Let's talk about their history. Both of them have played 245 matches together, in which Real Madrid have secured 97 wins, whereas FC Barcelona have secured 96 wins. They have drew 52 games in together. Talking about their last 5 head-to-head games, Barcelona have won the initial 2 matches which were held in 2019, whereas in December 2019 they drew. Also, the last 2 games were won by Madrid, as you can see the scoreline. What do you think? Who will win this match? Comment below. Let's go ahead. Talking about the present scenario, in La Liga 2020 and 2021, the leaders are Atletico Madrid FC, who are leading, but Barcelona and Real Madrid are not too far with who are second and third position respectively. The goal difference is huge for Barcelona, but just look at the points, 66, 65, 63, and all of them have played 29 matches. It's a close game running on for the title this season. So this is the probable 11 which we think FC Barcelona would start with, being the formation 3-4-2-1, whereas Dembele plays the centre forward and Messi and Griezmann assisting him slightly backwards. We have 4 of them in the centre field and Surgeon being the spearhead of goalkeeping, who has been absolutely phenomenal this season. How good were FC Barcelona in the last match? The 90th minute goal from Dembele literally sealed the game and gave the crucial 3 points to FC Barcelona. Coming on to the opponents, Real Madrid FC. They have been phenomenal this season, but the injury concern too has been phenomenal for them. In a sarcastic way, for opponents of course. They have Captain Ramos who has been injured, Eden Hazard who has been injured. They have so many beautiful players who are injured, unfortunately. Coming on to the top team of this playing 11. We think they start with 3-4-3 formation, whereas the beautiful pass from Toni Kroos in the last match we all saw. Luka Modric comes in. We have Benzema, we have Vinicius Junior, who was beautiful in the last game with 2 goals. With the 3 top players for FC Barcelona, we have Pedri, who has been phenomenal the entire season since he made his debut. He has been giving assists beautifully to Messi, Griezmann, Dembele. He has been phenomenal in the midfield. Also, the goalkeeper, who has been running on few clean sheets, has been phenomenal this season. It's beautiful to see how Messi has been able to play and anchor this team after those leaving the club rumors which were going around. I don't know if they were rumors. Do you think so? I don't know. I hope he stays. So, he is also one of the most key players. Actually, he is. In whichever team he plays, he will be one of the most key players involved. Coming on to the next team, how can we forget Vini? The last 2 goals were beautiful, and that pass, and Toni Kroos was phenomenal in the entire season. and also he's been doing so for past so many years. How can we forget how Benzema carried the whole team alone when there were more injury reviews in this season and prior to that. Coming on to our prediction, we do think Barcelona will try to take advantage of the injury concern and will seal this match 2-1. But you never know, anything could happen. It could be ending up in a draw, or maybe Real Madrid could really top the game with 2-3 or maybe anything. But we still think that FC Barcelona will try and take that advantage and move ahead of Atletico Madrid. Thank you for watching. Tell us your views in the comments below.